how to make new account on PS5 with the same email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make a new account on the PS5 with the same email, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to make a new account on PS5 with the same email, so first of all, let me just go ahead and show it to you guys. I'll just go to the profile section and I'll just try to sign in, and I'll try to create a new account by clicking the create an account option. And of course, I'll just go ahead and then make sure to enter my region properly this time. Click the next option, select my month and also my day as well as also my year over here. Once I select all of these details, I can just click the next option. Now over here, if I normally try to enter an email address that's already been used, it will give me an exclamation mark over here. So let me also go ahead and show it to you guys. I'll just go ahead and type in this is Bimal. This is one of my existing email address that I already used. So let me also go ahead and then enter all these details over here. So once I enter this email address, you can see it will give me this exclamation that says this email address is already in use. So how do I create many PSN account using this same email? Well, there is a very simple trick to do this. Just anywhere in between your email, between this, you can see all of these dots and so on. What you want to do is you actually want to type in a dot. So you can see my current one is this is dot. So in any of these in between your name, you simply want to put in a period. So let me also go ahead and show it to you. You simply want to put in a period, and once you put in a period, you can see now that this email address is actually available. Now you might be telling it I'm adding a new email address, but no, the problem over here and the trick over here is that even if I enter a period or a full stop, it will send a verification code to that same email address without the period. So if it is this is .bmal65, it will still send the email address to this is bmal65@gmail.com. so the period is not going to get valid. And this way I can create many PSN accounts using the same email address. I can simply choose to add a period wherever else I prefer over here, or I can simply choose to add it underneath, let's say over here. Then I'll be able to go ahead and then basically add all my periods and so on. And this way I'll be able to basically make a new PSN account on PS5 with the same email. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.